Assalamu alaikum, I am Salman Khan from Worldofitech. In this video you will learn about how to run program directly from Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code, famously known as VS Code, is a free open source text editor by Microsoft. VS Code is available for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Although the editor is relatively lightweight, it includes some powerful features that have made VS Code one of the most popular development environment tools in recent times. Nowadays, developers facing problems while running a basic HTML code directly from the editor as Visual Studio Code doesn't have any inbuilt direct feature to run the code like different editors or its own Visual Studio. But here is a solution to run the code directly from the editor. First, install Visual Studio Code. You can skip this part if you have already installed Visual Studio Code on your computer. If you want to download and install Visual Studio Code, then you can watch our first video about how to download and install Visual Studio Code. Start the Visual Studio Code editor. On the left panel, click on the Extensions tab. Then in the search bar, search for Open in Browser. You will get a list of plugins. For simplicity, select first plugin and click Install. After completion of the installation process, it will ask for reload some time. Just reload the Visual Studio Code editor. It will not cause any damage to your unsaved data. After reloading, just right click on your HTML file and select Open in other browsers. Select your required browser and see your output. You can see my first heading, my first paragraph. This is about the how to run program directly from Visual Studio Code. And I really hope that you have learned something from this video. And if you like this video, then give a thumbs up, and if you don't like it, then give a thumbs down, and also share your opinion about this video. What do you think about it? And if you think that this video will help some of your friends, then do share this video with them. And also you can subscribe to our channel if you want to watch more videos like this. And if you subscribe to our channel, then press the bell icon to get new video updates. And feel free to leave us your suggestions in the comment section below. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in next video.